But many of you are habituated to listen only after the class, like that. Okay, yeah. So our question is a line 70 mm 30 is 30 degrees and 40 degrees inclined to HP and VP, and one of its. So for that we have taken a reference line XY, and above HP. What is above HP? What is the value? 10 mm. For that we have taken an offset line, and in front of VP we have taken this one, and we have noted this point. This is as a dash. For that, what I will do, I will copy this command. Okay, I will copy these letters. I will copy and I will select enter base point, and I will place C. As it is in ortho mode, it is taking only this one, so I will off ortho mode. So I will mention this one and somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere I will mention here. Escape. Now I will double click this one and I will change it to A. Okay, and this one. What is this letter? Is it A dash?
A dash, A
Yeah.
dash.
Okay. If I want to change the color, you can change like that. Okay. If I double click and if you click here, you can change color. That is another point. Okay. Yeah. Now from here, what is the other condition they have given? A line 70 mm is 30 degrees inclined to HP. Let us take only this first value. Okay. So first of all, above HP completed, in front of VP completed. Now a line 70 mm is 30 degrees inclined to HP. That means, see, from here I will take a line. What is the length of the line? I will select the line, and from this point, I will
70
draw
mm.
a line. What is the length of the line?
70 mm.
70. Okay, 70. Enter. Okay, escape. Now what I have to do, I have to rotate this line to what is the angle? 30 degrees. If it is inclined to 30
30.
degrees to HP, means that we can see the line in the VP itself. Is it right? Okay, now I will select this line. Okay, yeah, line, and I will select rotate RO. Okay, what is the base point? Is asking. You can see the command window. Base point, and what is the angle? 40 or 30? 30.
30.
Yeah, 30. I will enter. See, I got a line. Is it right? Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to project this one.
Yes.
Now I will select this one, projection, and I will select line, and I will project from here. See, up to here. This is the top view. So I will draw a line over here also. See, this is the top view of this line. Is it right? Okay. Now let me copy this point as what is this point? Let me copy. I will give lettering as some. See. Yeah, I will give lettering as what is that one? B1. Okay, this is as a B1 because this is not the final one. Is it right? Okay, I will give it as a B1, and this is one B1 dash. Okay, are you clear? Are you understanding up to here? Okay, so I will change this color of this line to somewhat red, so it will be somewhat easy for you. Okay, for the same line, if you observe this one, see, this is the inclination. See, here you can mention the dimensions also. Angular I have selected, and I have selected this one. So here you can get the 30 degrees angle, and if it is it visible for you, is it okay 30 degrees? Or if you want to change the dimension of that one, what I should do? Select dim style.
Dimension style.
DIMSTY. Yeah, I will press on this, and I want to click here modify, and text size. What is the text size? Here 2.18. I will change it into 3.18 or else 3.00. No problem. Just I have increased one. Okay, and okay, and another again modify. What is the arrows? If you want to change the arrows also, here it is 0.15. So I will increase into some 2.18. So it will be visible. Okay, close. Now see, it is somewhat visible for you, arrows as well as this one. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So up to here clear? We have created only one line. Okay, which is only a line 30 mm 30 degrees inclined to HP. Okay, forget about this one, other angle. Okay, up to here clear, everyone?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, okay, this
Yes,
is the
sir.
same similar. If there is no other angle, okay, if there is only one angle inclined to HP or VP, if it is inclined to HP, so the answer will come like this. Okay. Now our next question is a line 70 mm is in this only. Let us take 30 degrees and 40 degrees. So both the values are there. It is inclined to both the planes. Okay. Immediately, if you are seeing the answer, immediately you can say that it is inclined to HP. That's why we can see the true. This is the true length. Is it right? True length. Is it right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. True length. Yeah. And this is the, what is this one? Is it top view?
Down.
Is it top view? A B1. Is it the top view?
Yes,
Sir, no. Okay. Yeah. Next, what I will do, that is completed. Now, our next angle is 40 degrees inclined to HP. Okay. 40 degrees inclined to VP. Okay. 40 degrees inclined to VP. So, what I will do now, I will draw the locus of this line. So, for that also, I will take offset OF, O enter, and I will select this line. Okay. Any line you can select. First of all, he is asking offset distance. So what I will do, I don't know the distance between B1 and this line, difference line. Okay. So what I have to select? What is the condition I have to select? Through. Did you remember this one?
Yes, sir.
I will select here through, and I will select this object, and somewhere I will keep here at the point. This is the locus point of this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay. Now other line. Okay. That is okay. Now I will select a line from this point. I will select, and what is the length of the line? What is the length of the line?
70.
70 mm. Okay. I will enter 70. Now see, you can see the white line over here. Below that, the top is there. Now I will select this line and I will rotate. I will select this line. Okay. And I will rotate. I will select RO command. And what is the base point? Okay, here. Now, what is the angle I have to rotate?
90.
No. How much it
40
is
degrees.
inclined to VP? 40
40,
degrees.
40, 40.
Okay. Yeah.
40
I will
degrees.
enter 40. See, if I have entered 40, where is that line gone? It has went out upside. Okay. Because
Upside
as we have given
anti-clockwise.
positive value, if you want to come this line downside, what is the angle I have to give? Minus 40.
Minus.
Okay. Yeah. I will press Ctrl Z. Yeah. Now I'll RO enter, rotate. Now I will select this line. Okay. Enter. Now I will select this base point, and what is the angle I have to give? Minus 40. Enter. See. Okay. Now this is the B2. So let us take this value as, I will select copy objects, enter base point this one, and somewhere like this I will select this one as a B2, this line as B2. Okay. Yeah. Now I will draw the locus line of this one also. Okay. I will draw a locus line of this line also. So what happened? Okay, let it be. Now this is the point B2. Now what is the front view of this line? If I project this line to the upside, this is the front view of it. Is it right? Yeah, clear? Clear or not? See, I have explained you
Yes,
everything on the
yes, sir.
offline, but no one is responding. Yeah, it is very simple. Okay,
Yes.
I will draw. I will select the offset line for this. O enter. Okay. Yeah. And what is the distance means? I will select through, and I will select this object, and I will place this point. Okay. I have drawn this locus point also. Now what I will do? I will select a line from this point. I will draw exactly. I will all ortho mode is on. Yeah. I will place over here. Okay. Yeah. This is the front view of this line. A B2. Okay. This is the B2 dash. This point is, so I will copy I will copy this letter, copies, enter, and this is the base point, and I will copy somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this point is, what is this point? B2 dash. Okay, yeah, this point is B2 dash. Now I will draw another line of the front view of this A to this one. This is the front view of this line. Is it right? This is the top view of this line. So I have projected this line to upside. So this is the front view. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will change the color of this line so that it will be somewhat easy for you. Okay, I will change some green color. Is it okay? Yeah. Yeah, I will select green color. Okay. Now this is the top view of AB2, and I will, for this front view is this one. I will select this one line and I will change the color to green. Okay. Now is it okay? Are you understanding what is the line? See, front
Yes,
view
sir.
is this one, and we have projected this is the top view, and this is another line. And what is the angle of this one? I will mention this also angle, so that angular and this line and this line. Okay. See, this is the 40 degrees. Okay. Now I will change the color of this one. Okay. Yeah. Now is it okay? Now what I will do, see, I have to project this line over here. I have to make a arc from A dash to B2 dash. I have to make a arc. So what I will do, I will select a circle. I will select, I will select a circle. Now from here, I will, line, okay. Up to here endpoint, I will make a circle. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Now I will trim TR double enter. See, whatever excess is there, I will trim off, which I don't need. See, you can see this arc. So this is the point, pivot enter. Yeah, this is the point. Okay. And now I will join this one. I will change this color of this one by layer. And from this point, I will join this one. Okay. This is our final B dash. Okay. This is our final B dash. And
Yes.
similarly, from here also, from here I will make a arc. Okay, I will make a arc with respect to circle from here to here. I will
Circle.
take a circle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I will change this color of this one so that it will be, as this is a red color we have selected, we will select that one only. Now TR double enter. ఇక్కడ పక్కన ఆన్ చేయొస్తుంది. Okay. Whatever I know don't need, I will trim off. One minute. Yeah. Okay, whatever excess is there, we will trim off. Okay, here also trimmed. Control Z. Let me, yeah. This is the arc we need. I should not trim this one. Okay. Okay. Escape. Now, which is the excess? I will delete this one. Okay. Now this is the other point we got. PO enter. This is the other point we got. So what is this one? B dash. This is the B. Okay. This is the exact line which we got. So I will join this both. As the ortho mode is there, it is not taking. Yeah. Exactly on this point. Okay. So this is the top view and this is the front view. This is our actual answer. So I will mention this one also. I will copy and I will select this one. Okay. Enter, and with this base point, I will copy here and somewhere, and this one also. So what is the name I have to give that letter which I have copied now? Anyone?
C dash.
B dash. No, this is the actually,
dash.
yeah, this is the our original points, okay, which we have came by our answer, okay. Yeah, okay, are you clear with this concept? Are you clear or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So by this, if you want to edit this one, as this is a final answer, p edit means polyline edit, p edit, okay. I will select this line, okay, enter p edit. Do you want to? Yes. Now, what is the width? I will select width, and what is the width I have to give? Some 2. If I give 2, enter. See, oh, it is taking more, so I will take Control Z. I will take 1 width, and I will select 1, enter. See, it is dark. Is it right? Escape. Now, same. I will select this one, P edit, enter, and I will select this line. Yeah. Yes, enter, and width, and I will give it as a 1, enter. So see, you can see these are the lines which are highlighted. This is our solution. Okay, are you clear? Okay. This is about this one. Are you clear with this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, respond. Okay. This is about the lines. Okay, if the single angle is given, you can get a single line. If the double angle are there, you can get this one. Okay, both the angles are merged with each other. That's it. And remaining all you have to give like this. And after that, what we have to do? What is our next position? We have completed the answer. What next? What we have to do? Yeah. What I have to do? So I have to export in the PDF. This one, and I will select export and like this. Before that one, you save. Okay. Before that one, save as, and projection of lines 2. I will select. Okay. Yeah, save. And after this, you have to select export and PDF. Once you select a PDF, here you can see it is showing display. Instead of that one, you select extend. Okay, this is important while selecting this one. Export PDF. See, you have to select this one, extend. If you select display, whatever the display is there, then only it will come very less. Okay, the size of the diagram will be less. Whereas if you press extends, it will come the size of the selected area of the page selected. Okay, I will select save. So now here in the title box also you have to name, write your name, college name, roll number, like that. Okay, now let us see how the diagram came in the PDF. Yeah, it's projection. Yeah, lines to PDF. Yeah, this is the line PDF, lines to PDF. See, oh, our diagram did not came. Why? What is the reason? Okay,
I think
so
you
let us
didn't
change it
select
into, yeah. So if you don't get like this, we have changed fully in the colors. That's why it may not came. So what we have to do, we will select all this one, okay, and change to by layer. Okay, from I will click left here, and I will select, and by layer I will select this one to by block. Okay, if I save like this, then you can get the in the PDF. Now I will save. Okay, I will click here save. Okay, I will save as some other point. Let us take save as projection line 3. Let me take. Okay, save. Now export PDF export. While exporting, what is the condition I have to take? Extends. Okay, already it is in extends. Okay, extends. And now you have to select save. Okay, now let us see whether the diagram has came or not. Yeah, here it is. Projection line is 3 PDF. Okay, you can see here. Still it's not coming. Why? Whether it has saved or not.
Export as same as display, sir. Once again.
No, display means it will come very less. Whatever the display we have zoom up to that only it will come.
Okay, sir. Once you
This-
select that, if we can see.
It won't come. Okay, as the name is same, that's why it is not taking. I will press it 4. Okay, still it is not coming. Okay, let it be. Some problem maybe. So that is a main. Okay, that is the process you have to do like on this one. Okay, this is about the projection of lines. Are you clear with this one? Okay.
Okay,
Are you
sir.
clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes,
projection
sir.
of planes we have solved. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So anyone can you show me the problems related to the projection of planes? Projection of planes. Can you read out anyone? Yes, anyone read out the problems which I given you? Projection of planes.